Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i on your Android device. So we cannot find this application in the Play Store and we need to use App Gallery. I don't have this application. I'm going to use browser. If you have it, just open it. But I'm going to open my browser. Then we need to write HUAWEI AI Life. Then search. Tap at the first link. Click Install Now. Then click Install here. Download via browser. Open it. Install. Then more details. Install anyway. Write your password. Now open it. Select your region, and I don't recommend to select United States because you may have connection instability with this region, or you cannot add your earbuds to the app. So select something else. Next, next, agree while using the app. Then click at the plus. And now we can add these earbuds. And in the next video I will show you how to add them to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!